Well, spring evening here, although we don't really do spring, do we? It's a beautiful summer's evening here in the city of gold. The Kaizer Chiefs clad, supporters clad in green and gold, and those supporters of the Green Snake, Inyoga Uklazana. Oh, Usutu, Olomapachokone. It's a sign that Kaizer Chiefs have enjoyed great success against over the years, but not quite in recent times. They've had some tricky encounters, including suffering their heaviest defeat against Amazulu. Chiefs much improved defensively this season. I'll get your thoughts on why that is. Could be a chance. Elionia! Oh! And it snuck in! Oh! It's the side netting. It ripples the side netting. I don't think I was the only one in the stadium who thought that had gone in.
As he cuts in, and must have taken a deflection of some sort. I'm not sure if the goalkeeper touched it in. And yes, a deflection definitely. Keegan is the one that deflected wide. Which nearly caught the goalkeeper leaning onto the left side.
The Chiefs are unbeaten in their last 4 Premiership matches against Lesotho. He's got Dylan Solomons with him. Still that's extended, got a ball in on. A late run in there. Just needed any sort of touch, and there would have been problems for Kaizer Chiefs there.
Hard able to play that almost getting a touch into the middle of the net. He plays wide on the right. This time he cuts just in front of Modi.
The right back there making a late run into the box. Koskona Atebe. This is good pressure now. Chiefs one possession through Modi. Kanye Samayo plays in Lilepo. And what a great save. Darren Johnson. Wonderful save there to deny. Well, he did well to come out and close the angle on Lilepo.
I think that's just the most, but Lilepo realizing that the goalkeeper was coming out. I think he could have done better by just chipping that ball over. It's the only way that you can build an oncoming goalkeeper who's committed to coming out and diving in for that matter. But excellent goalkeeping. It's up to the striker actually to come up with a plan. A deft touch will have done the trick.
Solomon's done well there. The best pass there, difficult pass for Nobu to get onto. They've lost possession of Chiefs. Anamob with a square ball in. Get the best first touch there from Stole, but now gets whips it into the near post, and Lesotho make the breakthrough. Yeah, bad.
Lesotho. That's Ngwenya.
Oh, this man is red hot. Goal number 4.
The thing is, that ball was whipped with so much power. He needed to be excellent to measure the header that he gets the better of the goalkeeper. And Peterson didn't see or know much about that cross.
It was just the once that these people never. That's the only loss at home this season from the 5 previous home matches. Appeals for handball. It's been given. Penalty. The appeals went up immediately from the Chiefs players, and the near side assistant Zakele Swela flagged for it as well. It's a penalty and an early way back into the game for Chiefs.
The Masulu players, Anamob in particular, is very, very upset because I think he doesn't believe that was the case. Now, this will tell us. You see, my concern is confirmed.
Yeah, okay, good call. Well spotted there, William Shongwe. Good eyes there, William Shongwe, and he's not even wearing his glasses tonight, William Shongwe. But that is a big moment then.
Listen, in fact, even if it touched the hand, it bounced off the body into the hand.
Yes,
it's not supposed to be given, regardless.
Lepo, and it's saved on the follow-up. It's wide. Johnson comes on trumps. This man is in the mood. I did say he's been looking good. Poetic justice, maybe. Let's have a look at it.
Too soft.
Yeah, not enough power. And I was thinking he was going to go for power. He went for placement. And he saw it all the way to Darren Johnson. Opens up his foot, opens up the body as well. So he telegraphed it to the keeper. What's my name, he says. Here comes Ishakena with the ball. He's got Shabalala with him. Shabalala gets onto it. Shabalala!
That's more like
Gets
it.
them level! I'm sure he doesn't want his fans to keep quiet.
That's more like it. That's the reaction of a team that has been on the front foot. Biggest challenge for Kaizer Chiefs, all chances created is like they let themselves down by not being efficient in front of goal. And this was class. With his right foot, looking for that far corner as we look into it, but Modi had to be excellent with the weight of the pass. I think that for me did the trick.
And the timing, the release of the ball before Shabalala went offside. Excellent finish there. Brings it onto his right boot. What a finish. Dylan Solomon lines it up and flashes it. That's the face of goal.
Very, very positive. It's presence of mind to TT to realize you're in a range that you can actually take the goalkeeper on, and added to the disadvantage that could have been for the goalkeeper is that having so many bodies in front of you.
Nice work here from Kagiso Mara.
Wow.
Wide. They did have up. That's a striker's instinct. When he saw the post, his eyes lit up.
Minus the first player, and it all opened up.
A nice touch there to see Arthur Zwane with his own voice that he coached, of course.